Just got these in the mail. There's more upgrades for my cutlass. It's LED light bulbs right here. I bought these because I had them on another car that I bought, and I had no problem with them. But I'm not sure about the color. I only bought one pack. I probably need to buy another one, but I want to make sure this is the right color. It says these are H4 bulbs. H4 bulbs. The color 6500K, and I just got these in the mail too. These are my the headlight. I don't know what they call it, headlight housing or whatever it is. Comes with a extra wire. Comes with bulbs too, but I'm gonna put LEDs in there. I don't really like those bulbs. It's the reason why I bought these right here, because I want to put LED in my car instead of the factory lights that's in there. It's supposed to be better to save power in your car, especially if you got music. So this comes out like this. I'm not going to be using those. I'm going to be using these. So it's hard doing this with one hand. So these go in like that. You could take this thing off. You don't even need to. You just turn it and it comes right out. But this is how you install it. Clips in like that. Then you take the bulb. It will drop in and lock, and it's in there. That's how you put LEDs in my car's an 84, but that's how you put LEDs in a car with 4x6 headlights in it. You gotta buy the bulb housing, and then you could either put these in. These are they're not original because they're blue, but these are supposed to be better than original, but I'm not messing with those. I'd rather have LED because it's less power consumption. Yeah, but that's how you do it. Take it out, you turn it. These two clips over. Take that out. I'll put the original one back in. Just like that. Lock them in. And that's it. It comes with the rubber boot too. You gotta put the rubber boot on because you don't want water to get in there. But yeah, that's it. I'll be putting them in hopefully later if I got time. If not, I'll be putting them in tomorrow. I just finished putting the new lights on one side. Looks way better than that. Yeah, but all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and I guess they call it a Torx size T15. It's raining out here. Trying to get this done. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick. To take it off, you gotta take off this trim right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you take that out, when you take that off, there's 4 Phillips head. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here on each light. But yes, easy. I didn't have to cut anything to make them fit, and I paid $80 for the bulb housings and the LED lights. I think I only got 2 right now. I need to get 2 more. Let me turn them on so you can see the color. See the difference? But I'm gonna order 2 more. It was only $15 on eBay. I got the Snorter H4. I showed you earlier what I got. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and do the other side so I can get out of here. It's raining, it's cold, I'm getting wet. All right. Just finished up putting on the other side. It's really easy to do and it looks way better. But yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to put on the front springs to make it higher in the front. I'll be back tomorrow. I did notice with these lights when I put them on, static. Alright, it's finally tomorrow. Today we're going to put on the front springs. I just made it to the shop. Trunk is a mess as always. I'm waiting for Billy to get here. He's not here yet. I got here early, I guess. He told me to get here early. He's not here. But when he gets here, I'm gonna measure the car to see how high it is now and how high it is after we put the front springs on. Gonna measure how high it is right now before we even do it. It's 9.5 inches high right now from the bottom of the elbow. So far, we got this done. We're having trouble getting this into that, this side into that right there. Yeah, it's definitely hard job, and we broke the spring compressor. I don't even know where that went, but hopefully we'll get it soon. We got one side in. Gonna finish tomorrow. Just finished up the springs on the cutlass. Gonna see how much higher we got. Last time I checked, it was 9.5. Let's see what we get now. It's hard to hold this camera and measure, but we way over 9.5. Let me measure it and I'll be right back. Alright, I finally got the tape measure in position. The car is exactly 1 foot off the ground now. Before it was 9.5 inches off the ground, so it's definitely higher. You could tell anywhere. But yeah, it was pain in the ass putting on those damn springs, but it's definitely higher. Just finished installing the new tie rod ends. I did the inners and outers and the new sleeves. I put all Moog. Everything's Moog, all my suspension. Everything's new. This one was bad. As you can see right here, it's really loose. Yeah, that's the reason why I changed them, but all the other ones are good. I think that one's kind of loose. That one's kind of loose too. It's a good thing I bought all of them, but this one is really bad. It's really loose. But yeah, everything's new. Now it's time to put an alignment on it. I'm gonna probably drop it off tomorrow morning. The guy said it's gonna be like $70 to do that. I think I paid $80 for all of the stuff that I needed. The 2 inners and 2 outers. I don't know. These are the outers. 2 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these. It was like $70, $80 Rock Auto. I installed the new headlights. And I installed this one. You see it's foggy in it? You see that crack? I got two more brand new ones coming from eBay. I bought them from Octane Lighting. Yeah, the guy, I told him that one was cracked. He said I over tightened it, so obviously he wasn't giving me a free one, so I just bought 2 more. But yeah, I think they're coming today. I'm not sure, but no, they're coming tomorrow. I'll put that one in tomorrow and have an extra one. But yeah, I like these lights. They had ones with the LEDs that go like this on the sides. I don't need all of that. I got LED light bulbs in there. These are regular ones. I need to change to clear, because you see how you see that blue in there? I don't like that. You can see the blue. No, that one's cracked. You can see the blue from the light bulb. I don't really like that. I just put clear ones in there, but that ain't nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow for the alignment, and for the front end, I'm done. I did everything I could do. Look what just came in. Finally found a grill for my car. Hopefully it can be cleaned. It looks dirty in the pictures. It's coming out clean, but I'm probably gonna have to put it on a polishing wheel or find a polishing pad for my angle grinder. But I gotta drop it off tomorrow morning for alignment in Providence, so I'm not gonna be able to do it tomorrow. So I got a couple days to get this thing clean, but it's all right. You see that? Try to get that cleaned up.